Hold up. Say what? Say what? You must have get that with me.
Hi guys!
My name is Dani. My name is Dannah.
I'm Dale. And I'm Dayla.
And this is
Nico. And today we got our Black Butterfly Beautiful boxes and we're just so excited to see what's in them. Yeah. The boxes teach girls to self-love. They teach them to be beautiful. They teach you a lot. And they're really fun. So we're excited. Description and promo codes down below.
Wait, promo code? Say what? Let them know, boo boo. Let them know.
Let's get started! Oh my god.
I got a pen.
This is so cool.
This is awesome.
Like I have pins and
I got a book. And I got a pin.
I got a fuzzy pin.
Oh, I got something inside.
Oh, we got a book, Dayla.
Life is great.
Yes.
I got scissors.
It's like Christmas all over again.
Life is so great.
Okay, ladies, now let's get into